Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. As you can see, I'm putting together all the goodies for my flathead build, and I'm gathering up everything. I'm about to go grab the paint, and I went out to the mailbox and look, my Salvino's Kit of the Month came, and I'm really excited about this one. I want to open it up and share it with you, so stick around. Okay guys, I've been really jazzed about this one. There's new decals in here, and if you're a member of the Builders Club or follow Salvino's, you know what the Kit of the Month is. But being a Petty fan, I am really jacked about this one. Sorry about that, I'm hitting the camera there. But we got some new decals too. Oh, check it out. The 200 win car. Let's get it out of this box real quick. Yes, indeed. I'll be ordering probably a few more of these. And I have been really excited when they announced this one was coming too. I've held off on doing this one for a while. I've got a collection of Petty cars, but I've always wanted to do the 200 win car. And this is great. But let's take a look at these decals real quick. We know that this is the old monogram kit, so I don't know that I'll even open it or get into it that much. Well, you know what, I might. Let's take a look at these decals. I want to get to those last. The great Goodyear decals. I'll be using the stencils on mine, I think. Oh, we got a new decal from Salvino's JR Models. That'll go in my collection. I've got those things stuck all over the place around here in the workbench and in the work area there. That'll go in my collection of those if it doesn't get stuck on something. The Mike Curb car. Check that out. And I got some great detail pictures of this car too, and we'll be talking about that in the Model Car Cup Series upcoming as well. And of course, these are power slides, so we know the quality of these. And that's the extra set. There's another set, of course, in the box. If you're a member of the Builders Club, this is one of those great things that you get. Now, this is what I'm really excited about. These are the new, more flexible vermilion decals. Oh, check that out. I don't know if you can really catch just how brilliant that is. Spot on too. And these are more user friendly, I'm told. I'll probably paint mine. You know what, I don't know. This is one of those things you're tempted to try, and I may do it. I may do it and then give a clear over it. But I've been really excited about and wanted to see these too. Looks good. Looks great, actually. That's the new decals. And they have a little film barrier between them there. Hold on. You know what? Let's go ahead and open this thing real quick. Like I said, this is a short video, but I was excited about this one, the 200 win car. As you see here, from right when you walk in the Petty Museum, this is the first thing that's staring at you in the face, and just to the right are Rick's models there in the gift shop. But the 200 win car is right there. And I try, if you'll notice, instead of just tearing this off the box, sorry, I keep hitting the camera there. I try to keep the plastic on the top portion of the box, and the reason for that is back in like 2005 or 6, somewhere in there, at Toledo at the old fairgrounds at the old show, there was a guy there selling just mint condition model car boxes from the 50s, 60s, 70s. Mint condition boxes, and they were going for some big money, and people were buying them. Just the boxes, original issue, for example, of the Munsters, from the 60s, the original issues of all kinds of stuff. But if the boxes were in mint condition, they were getting really good money for them. And so when I open them, I try to go ahead and leave the plastic, as you can see, on the upper portion to preserve it, and then just cut the bottom part off there. But anyway, all right, we've got those awesome Salvino tires, molded in petty blue. That classic Grand Prix. And there's our clear parts. An awesome Salvino's chrome. Rear spoiler there. The great instruction sheet that we've become accustomed to from the guys. Another set of vermilions and another set of those great decals from Power Slide there too. And then the Builders Club brochure in there. But great stuff, guys. This is, like I said, if you're really familiar with the monogram kits, it's the same kit. They just purchased the molds. Absolutely awesome. Okay, guys, thanks so much. Appreciate you tagging along for the opening. And we'll get back onto that flathead. Thanks, guys. God bless. See you in the next video.